So in this video, we are going to learn how to extract companies' financial data from PDFs using AI agent. So let's say on a regular basis, you keep on dealing with the company's financial documents like PDF files. And you want to extract some details, get some details from the document and add it into some platform like Google Spreadsheet to create a record over there. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process using an AI agent with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now this AI agent will capture the new files which we are uploading in our Google Drive, which are of company's financial document. And after getting the company financial document from Google Drive, this AI agent will send the same file to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, we are going to extract the details from the PDF file. After extracting the details, you can add all of these extracted data in your Google spreadsheet or in any other platform of your choice. Now, if you want to know how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Drive folder where I have added this company's financial document in a PDF file over here. So I upload this PDF file and the AI agent which we have created, this AI agent will capture the new PDF file with company's financial document from this Google Drive folder and send it to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, we are going to extract the financial details key information of financial data which we want to get, and at last this AI agent will automatically add the details in our Google spreadsheet like this. So here you can see that the document which we have uploaded, the company name was dummy org over here. These are the company details and these are the financial details. And the same data is added in our Google spreadsheet as well using this AI agent which we have built. Now this AI agent is built using Pabbly Connect. And in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that how you can build this AI agent on your own. Now, before getting started, let me just clear this Google spreadsheet so that we can start from scratch. So what we have done, we just have a financial document PDF of a company in our Google Drive folder. We have our OpenAI account and created a Google Sheet with all the headers, all the necessary headers or all the information which we want to extract from this document. Now after this, to get started with Pabbly Connect and the process of building AI agent, for that we will just go to a new tab and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. After coming to here, you can see we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here you just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as you click on access now, you will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name my workflow as AI agent for financial data extraction. AI agent for financial data extraction. After naming a workflow, just select the folder of your Pabbly account in which you want to set up this workflow and click on create. And as we click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. Now here in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation, this workflow or this AI agent works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Google Drive folder with this workflow, with this AI agent in the trigger step, so that whenever a new PDF file of a company's financial document is added in this Google Drive folder, the same AI agent will trigger and this AI agent will capture the same file. For that, here in the trigger step in choose app, search for Google Drive and select it. After selecting Google Drive in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new file in specific folder. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this sign in with Google button. Then after that, here from this pop-up window, select your Google Drive account. After selecting your account, just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the folder or subfolder from which we want this AI agent to capture the new files. So in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the folders and subfolders which we have in our Google Drive account. Out of all of this folder named as financial documents, in which I'm adding the company's financial document which I want to basically extract the data from. So we are going to select the same folder over here. After selecting the folder, when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, the details of the last file, the most recent file uploaded on this folder will be received inside Pabbly Connect. But before doing that, if I open this PDF file over here, you can see that currently the share permission of this PDF file is private to only me. And with this share permission, we cannot send this file to OpenAI and extract the data out of it. So what we have to do, we have to change the share permission of this file. And not just of this file, for each and every file we are uploading in this Google Drive folder, we have to change the share permission of all of those files. Now, changing the share permission of each and every file is a tedious task. So what you can do, you can just change the share permission of this complete folder. Just click on this folder name and from the drop down, click on this share option. After clicking on share, here you can see that the current share permission of this folder is restricted. From this drop down, just select anyone with the link. And as we change the share permission, just click on done. And now all the files which we are going to add in this folder will have the share permission of anyone with the link. So once again, if I open this document, now you can see that the share permission of this file, of this document is changed over here. Now, after changing the share permission of our folder, we will get back to Pabbly Connect and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same document which we had in our Google Drive folder. Here is the web view link of the same document. If I copy this link and paste it in a new tab, the same document will open in front of us. Now, after that, here you can see in front of web content link, we get the download link of the document. If I copy this link and open it in a new tab, the same document of the company's financial data will be downloaded directly. So in this way, you can see that the document is downloaded. Now after that, we will scroll down further and we will see some other details related to the same file. Also, we will get the name of the file as well. So here you can see we have this file name over here and we have some other details too. So in this way, the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed, where we have connected our Google Drive folder with this AI agent and captured the new files from our Google Drive folder in this Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, we want this AI agent to send the same file to OpenAI. And using OpenAI, we want to extract the financial details. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, search for OpenAI. Just select it. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from the drop-down, we have to select the action event as extract content from PDF/image. After selecting this action event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your OpenAI account and from the dashboard on the left sidebar, you can see this option of API keys. Just click on API keys and click on this create new secret key button. Now we have to give this secret key a name as, for example, I'll name it as Pabbly Connect AI Agent. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you are generating this API key and select the permission as all and click on this create secret key button. Now, as you click on Create Secret Key, the API key will be generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save here, you can see that our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the AI model. So in this dropdown, you can see we have a list of 4 models over here. Using these 4 models, you can extract the data of the PDF using OpenAI. So out of all of these, I want to use GPT-4o Mini as a model to extract the data, financial data from the PDF document. After selecting our AI model, it is asking us for the image/PDF URL. So here we have to enter the URL, the link of the PDF file of company's financial data. Now we have uploaded the PDF file in Google Drive over here and we have received the response, the details of this PDF file from Google Drive in the trigger step of our workflow. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to add this response of web content link, the download link of the document to this OpenAI action step. And to add the trigger step responses in this OpenAI action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field over here and from the drop down from Google Drive responses, select the response of web content link, the download link and map it over here. After mapping the URL, it is asking us for the prompt. That what is the prompt we want to basically give to OpenAI. So let's say I want my prompt to be extract the details. So I'm entering the prompt as extract the details from the shared PDF and give response according to the shared structure format. So after entering this prompt over here, we are telling OpenAI that what do we want OpenAI to do with this file. Now after entering the prompt, it is asking us for the structured output. Now you must be thinking, what is the structured output? So we want to basically extract the details from this PDF file, and we want to extract the details and get the response from Open into a structured format so that we can enter all of these details in our Google spreadsheet in different columns over here. We don't want a single response with cluttered details. We want a structured data over here. Now, for that, we have to basically enter a JSON body, a JSON structure over here, that what kind of structure we want in the response. Now, if you want to learn more about the structured output, here in the help text, you can see this hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to our video on our channel. And you can just refer to this video to learn more about the structured output of OpenAI. Now you must be thinking how you can create a JSON body or a JSON structure to get your desired response. So let me tell you that you don't have to create the JSON body all by yourself. Here in important note, you can see this link. Just click on it and it will take you to a page or tool of OpenAI. Now here you can see that just click on this generate button and here you have to basically describe that what kind of structure you want. So let's say I want my structure to be extract the details in string for, and then here I'm going to mention that all the fields of the data, all the details which we want to extract from the document. So from this PDF file, I don't want to extract all the data. I just want the financial details and the basic company details. In this document, we also have the product and operation highlights over here and the planned investment, and we don't want that for now. We just want this key financial figures and the company details. And here we have basically created a Google Sheet with all the headers. So what I'm going to do, from my Google Sheet, I'll just copy all the headers over here, all the column headers, and paste it over here. After pasting it, just click on create. And as you click on create here, you can see that using the structured output tool of OpenAI, a JSON schema will be created within seconds and we will get the JSON schema over here. So you don't have to create the complete JSON object all by yourself. And yes, here you can see that the JSON schema is created and all the fields which we have added in our Google spreadsheet, we have shared all of the fields with this JSON schema with OpenAI, and all the fields are added over here in this JSON schema. And in this way, in this JSON structure, we are telling OpenAI that we want to extract these details from the document. And we want individual response for each and every field. So we are going to get an individual response for company name, for business type, for headquarters, and all of that. So we will just copy this JSON schema from here, go to Pabbly Connect, and paste it over here in structured output. After pasting the JSON schema, entering the prompt, and giving the PDF file URL, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that within few seconds, we are going to receive the response. And in this response, you will get the extracted details from OpenAI from the company's financial document. And we will get the same details which we have added in the JSON schema, basically for which we have created headers in our Google spreadsheet. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. And yes, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see that the details from the same PDF file of financial document of the company, which we have uploaded in Google Drive, those document details are extracted and we have received the details into a structured format. We have individual responses for each and every detail which we want to add in Google Sheet. So you can see that using OpenAI, we have received a structured response with all the details extracted. Now after this, what we want to do, we want this AI agent to add all of these details in our Google spreadsheet over here. So what we are going to do, we'll go back to our workflow, scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button. And here in Choose App, search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Sign In with Google button. Once again, select your Google Sheets account. After selecting the account, just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the spreadsheet. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet in which we want to add the extracted data of companies' financial details is named as Financial Data of Companies. So here from this dropdown, I'm going to select the same spreadsheet. After selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking us to select the sheet. Now here in this spreadsheet, you can see we have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why in this drop down, we have only one option of sheet 1 and we are going to select that. Then after that, all the columns of data which we have added over here in this sheet, you can see that all of these columns are added as fields over here inside Pabbly Connect. And one by one, the details which we have extracted from the document using OpenAI, one by one, we have to add all of these responses. We have to map all of these responses into their respective fields in this Google Sheets action step. So let's get started. We will scroll down, we will just click on this field of company name, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous 2 steps. Now here from the OpenAI responses, select the response of company name and map it. Then we are going to map the response of business type, then we are going to map the response of headquarters, the website of the company from the document, then we are going to map the response of contact email. Let's map the phone number as well. So here from OpenAI responses, the phone number. Now we are going to map the response of total revenue, operating expenses. Then let's map net profit. So in this way, one by one, we are going to map all the details over here. Okay, so as you can see, one by one, we have mapped all the details into their respective field. After mapping all of these details, just scroll down and click on the Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that the details are now added over here. Now here we have received the response, and this is a positive response which shows that the details are added. So we will just go to our Google spreadsheet, and yes, here you can see that in our Google spreadsheet, all of these details, all the data from the same extracted document are added over here. Let me just correct the formatting of this document, and here it is. So we have the same company name extracted from the document, we have the same business type, headquarters, website, and then we have the same financial details like total revenue, operating expense, net profit, COG, gross profit, tax, EBITDA, cash on hand, and all of that over here. So in this way, we build this AI agent which will capture the new financial documents of the company from your Google Drive folder, extract the data using OpenAI, and add it to any application like Google Sheet or to any other platform as well automatically. So not just this, you can connect multiple applications and build AI agent to automate multiple processes of your business using Pabbly Connect. Let me tell you that you will get a clone link of the same workflow of the AI agent in the description box below. And by clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.